Children, so how are you all of you? I know you all are missing your school, right? I'm also missing to all of you, my dear children. But we are facing the problem of coronavirus epidemic. But don't worry, stay at home, stay safe, and don't forget to keep washing your hands time to time. Okay? But it's not means you will be stop your study. You have to continue your study. For that, I am here. I am going to teach you SST of Standard 5. So let's start the video. Yes, our first chapter is Importance of Family. In these topics, we will learn family, types of family, family system, family tradition, and care and appreciation. So let's start our first topic, family. Yes, we all know that we can't live alone. Anyone don't like to live alone, right? So we can't live alone. We need a group to express our feeling and ideas. So everyone need to live in a group. Family is also social group in which all the members are connected with each other through their blood relation. The family is the greatest gift of nature. We can't change it. Where we have born, we have to stay with the same family. It is not in our hand to change it. That's why it is the greatest gift of nature. Okay, student? Family is the first learning place. Before going to school, the child learns everything by watching and imitating the family members. For example, you have seen the movie The Jungle Book. Yes, I'm sure about that you have seen the movie The Jungle Book. There was the main character was Mowgli. Yes, Mowgli was human child, but he was just learn easily how to do behave like an animal. What are their languages? He learned how to just speak like an animal. He was just jumping over tree. We can do. No, we can't do. He was just imitating from two animals. So we can say that we just imitating from our family members. And the interaction among the family members develop close bond of love and affection that continue throughout our life. Okay, so it was the family. Our next topic is types of family. As we have learned in our previous class 4 that there are two main types of family. First is joint family. Next one is the nuclear family. Joint family. In joint family, we are live with our grandparents, parents, uncle, aunt, and our brother and sister. We celebrate all festivals together and we spend quality time with each other. The most important thing about joint family is we are just caring and loving to each other. Yes. Next one is the nuclear family. In nuclear family, the parents live with their unmarried children in the same house. It is the small family. So we will move to our next topic, family system. Do you know, children, what is family system? Yes, family system is a system where all the members learn from each other. They live together and they learn moral values, how to respect our elders, good manners, honesty, kindness from elders. Our fathers show the value of hard work and our mother shows us the value of dedication and caring. Though it is family system. Do you know how it is works? It is works like a chain. Okay? Our grandparents, our parents, then their children. Again, children, grandparents, parents and children. So it is works like a chain. Okay? So it was the family system. We have discussed the types of family, joint family, nuclear family, and now it is the family system. Move to the next topic, that is our family tradition. Yes, family tradition. Each family follows certain custom and tradition. Do you know what is family tradition, student? Okay, I am telling to you. The activities that occur regularly and hold special meaning for our family. That is called family tradition. They are an excellent way of teaching values like respect for elders, passing the family heritage to the future generation. We all are celebrated the Navratri, and we celebrate the Kanya Puja also on Navami. We have seen this at our home. Our parents have learned from our grandparents, and we are just learned from our parents, and we are just passing this tradition to the next generation. Some family visit the Gurudwara on Baisakhi and have langar there. The elders sit and listen the kirtan while the children have the langar by living, cleaning the compound, etc. In these ways, the passing the family heritage to the future generation. So it is the family tradition. Next is our topic is care and appreciation, which is very important for any family. The care and appreciation for one another are real strength of any family. It is very important we have to take care and appreciate to each other. It is important that the family members spend time together. It builds strong bond among the family members. The parents and grandparents take care of the children with lot of love and patience and help to grow up them in a good human being. And the time of need, they just support their parents. Yes, also look after the elders. So that's all about today's topics, children. We will just discuss our next topics in our next lecture. So that's all about today. Thank you. Just stay at home, stay healthy, and stay safe with your family. Okay, bye bye, children.